What's up, you guys? I got a quick video here. I am installing a loud valve on my Turbo LS in my C10. Here it is. I just got it. I just fit the piece that I'm gonna tie into the downpipe with, and basically there's rumor that people that are running these under or behind a turbo have had upwards of 100 horsepower gain by not running their exhaust through a full exhaust, by dumping it when it's under boost. So I think that wide open throttle, when you're not under vacuum, that this would be open also, so you might not have to have a turbo to run one of these. I got this off of eBay. I got this off of Amazon. I'll add the link in the description. You gotta be careful which one you get. This is the second one I bought. The first one was normally closed and it opened under vacuum, which is completely opposite. Even under a naturally aspirated situation, I don't know why you would want that, but anyways. So here's my wastegate dump right here, and the downpipe is up inside of here. I have a circle drawn around it. I am fixing to take a hole saw and chop that up and run a vacuum to this and see how it turns out. So stay tuned. About 15 seconds of a time lapse here. I dropped the truck down and disconnected all the plugs off the Holley system so I don't fry anything. Ask me how I know. Did as much welding on the bench as I could. Got it all fit pretty nice and welded it up. It looked pretty good whenever I was done. Tire didn't rub or anything. I should have took the tire off, but I was just being lazy. All right, turns out I don't have the right size vacuum line. Not a big deal. I'm gonna go grab some real quick and probably gonna drive this so that I can enjoy it on the way back. All right, so I just plumbed the loud valve. This will be the first time that it works, so we'll find out here in a second.
Yeah.
It definitely is working. It's closed.
A lot quieter.
It opened up for a second, closed right back.
Right there. It's like gurgling, growling.
That sounds like crap. Damn. So the valve is closed right now, and that is the exhaust leaking past the loud valve. That sounds like crap. Well, that's a bust. Damn. So at 9 inches of vacuum, it's quiet, even 7.
And then it starts gurgling.
So
Or
whenever
making
it's
that noise.
whenever it's 7 inch-pounds of vacuum and more, it's quiet. But right now at 5, it sounds like crap.
That sounded cool.
I disconnected my blow-off valve to hook up the loud valve, so that was the boost.
That sounded cool when you did that too. I don't know, I like it and then I don't like it.
She likes the turbo noises, you guys. Oh man, so leave the blow-off valve unhooked. You like the sound of the turbo flutter.
Yes. Yes.
See, yeah, 8 inch-pounds of
It's
vacuum,
quiet.
it's silent.
I don't know, That's great.
Golly, that sounds like crap though. That's at 6 inch-pounds
like-
of vacuum. Now 5.
It's almost like it's rattling off something else, the sound. Like maybe,
It's the valve in there chattering.
yeah. Because the rest of it doesn't sound bad. It's just that one noise.
It's the valve itself. long time. It don't just go. It goes.
Yeah.
It like just keeps going. So the turbo won't live as long doing that. But this is a cheap eBay turbo anyways.
Oh, Lord.
That is addicting.
That's all you're gonna do.
This poor transmission is gonna catch hell.
Don't forget.
Well, I couldn't stand it, the noise it was making, just, I guess, the valve chattering against the valve body. So I just unhooked it. But I can't say that I regret it because I really love the way this thing sounds straight pipe. I used to have a 5-inch pipe coming out right there that looked awesome. And I think it didn't fit with my bigger tires or something, so I did this exhaust instead. It has a Black Widow 250 Venom muffler that's right up inside of there, and then the exhaust dumps right here. But it's not using that exhaust right now, of course, because I just put the loud valve in it. That I'm not going to use, I guess. Unless somebody in the comments knows why that thing's chattering so damn much, unless it's like like 7.5 pounds of vacuum and more, it doesn't chatter. But this thing only makes like 5 pounds of vacuum whenever it's sitting at idle, like right now. Right now, I believe the gauge is only at 5. Well, it's about jumping between 6. Right now it's, golly, will it focus? So right now it's making 6.5, but it jumps between 6.5 and 5.5. But still, at 6.5 it would be chattering right now. So who knows?